Metabolae Ceylon Cinnamon is marketed as a supplement that supposedly supports blood sugar balance, metabolism, and overall wellness. But the real question is it a real supplement or just placebo? Now, to be fair, Ceylon cinnamon is a real ingredient and has been studied for possible effects on blood sugar and metabolic health. The issue is that research results are often more modest than marketing claims suggest. What it does well uses a real ingredient. Ceylon cinnamon is commonly used as a supplement and is different from standard cassia cinnamon, may provide modest metabolic support. Some studies suggest potential benefits related to glucose metabolism, where the hype falls apart. It is not a magic blood sugar solution. This is the biggest issue. Cinnamon supplements should not be expected to work like medication. Research results can be mixed. Some studies show potential benefits, while others find smaller effects. Results vary from person to person. Diet, activity, sleep, and overall health play major roles. So, is Metabolae Ceylon Cinnamon real or just placebo? Short answer, real supplement, but not miracle results. The ingredient itself is real and may offer modest support, but expecting dramatic changes from a supplement alone is unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.